Hello friends, welcome to Quick Flicks. Today, we are diving into a fascinating and lesser known story from Hindu mythology that not many people talk about, the powerful avatar of Lord Shiva that even Shani Deva, the god of Saturn, fears. Shani is known for his ability to bring challenges and hardships to people's lives. But did you know that there is one form of Lord Shiva that even Shani is terrified of? You might have heard about Lord Shiva's fierce forms like Rudra or Bhairav, but there's one special avatar that is connected to Shani, and today, we are going to unravel this mystery. Stay tuned as we explore this intriguing aspect of Lord Shiva, revealing unknown facts that even the most devoted followers might not know. Let's dive in. Understanding Shani Deva's power. To understand why Shani fears a particular form of Lord Shiva, we first need to know who Shani Deva is. Shani is often associated with discipline, justice, and karma. He is considered the one who delivers the results of your past actions, both good and bad. Shani's influence can bring struggles, delays, or even great rewards, depending on one's karma. In astrology, he is known to be a powerful planet that can change the course of one's life. However, despite his immense power, Shani is not invincible. In fact, there's one form of Lord Shiva that even Shani cannot stand. Lord Shiva's fierce form that Shani fears. The avatar of Lord Shiva that Shani fears is none other than Andhaka, a form of Lord Shiva that is fierce and terrifying. Most people know Lord Shiva as a compassionate and benevolent deity, but the fierce forms of Lord Shiva, like Rudra or Bhairav, are considered to be his wrathful avatars. But what is so special about the Andhaka form that even Shani is afraid of it? In the ancient texts, Andhaka is depicted as an embodiment of destruction and chaos. But here's something you may not have heard: Andhaka is not just a destructive force. He also represents the dark side of our own desires and ignorance. Andhaka is said to have appeared from Lord Shiva's third eye, an embodiment of his anger towards the darkness that took over the world. This is important because Shani, who controls the planet Saturn, is known to create obstacles based on our actions in the darkness within us. Andhaka is considered to be the antidote to that very darkness, which is why Shani fears him. The battle between Shani and Andhaka. You might be wondering why Shani is so afraid of this avatar of Lord Shiva. Here's where things get interesting. In some versions of Hindu mythology, there is a story where Shani and Andhaka have a direct conflict. Andhaka, in his fierce form, not only defeats Shani's powers but also represents the destruction of the negative energies that Shani represents. This battle symbolizes the victory of the divine over darkness and ignorance. While Shani brings obstacles, it is said that Andhaka is the force that can remove those obstacles by eliminating the root cause, our own darkness and bad karma. This is why Shani is terrified of Andhaka. It is not just a physical battle but a spiritual one, where Lord Shiva's anger in the form of Andhaka conquers the very forces that Shani governs. Why Shani fears Andhaka more than Rudra or Bhairav? Now, you may wonder, why doesn't Shani fear Lord Shiva's other fierce avatars, like Rudra or Bhairav? The reason is that Andhaka is not merely a physical force but a metaphysical one. He is the embodiment of the transformation of negative energy. Shani's domain is karma, and he operates within the framework of cause and effect. Andhaka, however, represents a force that can transcend karma by dissolving the ignorance and darkness that causes suffering. Lord Shiva, in his Andhaka form, is the ultimate destroyer of illusion, and Shani cannot control this force. Shani is powerless against the cleansing power of Andhaka, which is why even Shani is fearful of this form of Lord Shiva. The spiritual lesson from Andhaka's avatar. What can we learn from the story of Shani and Andhaka? On a spiritual level, the story teaches us that our challenges and struggles are often a result of our own ignorance and attachment to desires. Shani may bring hardships to purify us, but the true transformation happens when we confront and destroy the darkness within us. Lord Shiva, through his Andhaka form, shows us that it is only by facing our inner demons and letting go of our ignorance that we can truly transcend our karma and overcome the obstacles in our lives. Conclusion. The avatar of Lord Shiva that Shani fears is not just a mythological tale, it is a powerful reminder of how we can overcome the darkness in our own lives. Andhaka represents the force that cleanses the mind, spirit, and karma, and even Shani Deva, the god of karma, is powerless against it. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more fascinating stories and insights from mythology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this form of Lord Shiva that even Shani fears? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing content right here on Quick Flicks.